In this installment of Mount Sizzle, we take the deep dive into pork decadence. Pulled pork stuffed pasta shells with cheese. It's basically the Cadillac of mac and cheese. Right after you eat these stuffed shells, you can stuff that bikini right back in its dresser drawer. Because you're going to feel like 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag.
A little bit of tightness in my chest.
In the South, barbecue just kind of naturally goes with mac and cheese. This time I'm putting the pulled pork right in the mac and cheese. One-stop shop. I went to Mexico for the quesadillas, and I'm going to Italy for this flagrant bastardization. I do not like fusion cuisine. This is strictly for home consumption. You won't find this dish at the old family table at Olive Garden. I mean, no disrespect. I'm sorry, Polly. I had no other place to put my pork except your pasta. Boil the shells for around 9 minutes since they're going back in the oven to finish. Give them a cold shower to halt the cooking process. We're cooking a blonde roux. Hey, some guys just prefer blondes. You just melt a stick of butter, add the flour, stir it, cook it for 2 minutes, then add your heavy cream or half and half or milk, depending on how rich you want it, and then stir it a little bit, and then add your cheese. And there you go, cheese sauce. Roll the pulled pork in the shell, kind of like a pasta taco. Trichinosis taco. Place a piece of cowboy candy on each stuffed shell. Full disclosure, I actually got the basic idea for this from a cooking video by a cook from New York City. New York City! And it's probably the best idea that any person from New York City has ever had. This is exactly what you would feed your husband for 3 years every night if you wanted to kill him without a gun. All it takes is the venerable quality of patience and time in the kitchen. Calories, 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 calories. This skillet has actually developed its own gravitational pull. We're going cuckoo for calories. I had a little sprinkling of queso on top of it before it goes in the oven. I put the cowboy candy on top of each shell for a little bit of sweetness, cover it with the cheese sauce, and bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Heat! You could top this with barbecue sauce if you'd like. This recipe could almost pass as a barbecue lasagna without a meat sauce, but with a very rich cheese sauce. This could feed an absolutely huge multi-generational crime family.
Sorry, just a little bit of tightness in my chest. I'll get through it in a couple hours. Hopefully. Man.
Because you're going to feel like 10 pounds of shit stuffed in a 5-pound bag.
A little bit of tightness in my chest. I'll get through it though. Just give me a few hours. God dang. Dude, whoa.